Hi, so what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to calculate the area of a rhombus. And what we'll first talk about is what actually is a rhombus, in case we don't know what that is. So some people can call the rhombus a squashed square, which that means it is similar properties to a square, but there are some slight differences. A square has all sides the same length, and that's the same for a rhombus. So all of these are the same length, and if you remember, those lines mean that the sides are the same size. However, since it's squashed, the angles inside the rhombus are no longer the same. However, those two angles will be the same, and these two angles will be the same. And there's another important part of the rhombus we need to remember about, and that's what we call the diagonals. And the diagonals join the corners of the two-dimensional shape. Okay, so if we call this one diagonal 1 and this one diagonal 2, that is actually how we're going to solve for the area of the rhombus. So area will equal diagonal 1 times by diagonal 2, and then we're going to divide them both, divide that by 2. And if we wanted to put that out in proper equation, area equals d1 times d2 all divided by 2. And that's it. Okay, so if we look at these two examples, we can straight away see that the length of the diagonals are given. So all we need to do is area equals diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 over 2. 5 times 4 divided by 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And it's area, so it's centimeters squared. Alright, straightforward again here. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, all divided by 2. So it's 15 times 5, all divided by 2. 15 times 5 is 75. And then we just need to divide that by 2. Half of 70 is 35. Half of 5 is 2.5, so it's going to be 37.5 centimeters squared. And that's the area of a rhombus.